overnight, about 500,000 people waking up without electricity after a bomb cyclone moved through the northwest, taking down power lines. You can see the damage left behind there. Police say at least one person has died, and that storm slammed Washington State and British Columbia and Canada as well. Our meteorologist Mario Ruiz is with us now, and folks may be unfamiliar with that term here in North Texas, a bomb cyclone. What does that mean?
Yeah, it actually is a meteorological term. It comes from the word bombogenesis, and I'll explain what that means. I do want to show you what this looks like on satellite because this is a huge system. Okay, so middle part of the country, nothing. But once we look off of the Pacific Northwest, you see this huge swirl, and that is a big area of low pressure. Very common this time of the year to see these huge systems moving through the country. So a bomb cyclone specifically is a strong storm that strengthens quickly. By definition, pressure drops 24 millibars in 24 hours. A millibar is a measure of pressure. So that's just a very quickly, really strengthening storm. Okay, so that actually does trigger really strong winds. It often brings heavy rain and snow. We often see this on the East Coast, but it's also common to see it on the West Coast. And this comes from a developing pressure system of cold air that moves over warm water, and that's what strengthens it. This time around, though, this particular cyclone is tapping into what's called an atmospheric river, basically a big plume of moisture over the Pacific, and that's what's ushering all of this moisture along the West Coast. And when it makes it onto the higher terrain, that's what's causing the snow. So over the next 48 hours, this is just going to continue to flood areas of Northern California, in addition to the 60+ mile-per-hour wind speeds at times. So whenever you think about that, you think about blizzard conditions for areas like Washington State. 8 to 12 inches of rain will be possible, 15 for some, and over 6 inches of snow. Some will be measuring snow in feet across the higher terrain of the Pacific Northwest. So something we'll be watching here in the next 48 hours.